Nandito na kami sa MOA parking lot. This is fun. Ayan, papunta na kami sa grounds, concert grounds for our fun run.
Nag-uumpisa pa na, sabi na itong anak mo, I keep on walking.
Keep on walking. Alright.
Hello everybody, today we are at BFF Fun Run.
Wow, excited?
Yeah.
Hi!
We're going to the starting line now.
Really? Oh, lots of people are walking. Oh, be careful. Say hi. Where's Iris? Say hi. Say sa likod.
Nakikita kayo doon ha.
Una ka na, Jake. Bubbles. Wow. We're gonna start soon.
It is very hot now, and then we're at the starting line.
Yeah, we're at the starting line. We're just waiting for it to start, right? Okay, we're gonna start soon. Oh, there are bubbles all around, oh. There are bubbles over there. Ayan, while waiting. Are you ready, Kuya Lens? Are you ready, Lalite? Are you ready, Iris? Yeah, Mommy. Ready na ang gum. Ready na. Pagod na kayo? We haven't started yet. Okay. It's the loop. Ready to run?
Yeah.
Oh, go! Wow, Iris! You're so fast, Iris! There's an obstacle course, Kuya Lens. Can you do it? Try here, try. Go. You can do it, Lalite. Jump. Jump, Lalite. Kuya Lens, jump. Oh. Follow the line so that you can try the wheels also. The tan. Oh! What happened, Lalite? You can do it, Lalite. Okay, go jump. What about you, Kuya Lens? Lalit really loves to dive, no? What happened to Lalit? Lalit, are you okay? Oh no! What happened? Why do you keep on diving on concrete? You're supposed to be diving on water. There's another obstacle. Are you ready? Landslide. Here, on the right side. Stay here. Dito ayan siya. You okay? Oh, what happened? It's too tangled. Look at them. Oh no! Oh, baka madapa. Baka madapa sana. Oh, there's another one. There's another set. Hindi. Oh, there's another one.
I'm so shy.
Oh, mommy's there. Oh, help mommy. Say hi to the video. Wave your hands. Can you see people now that you're higher?
Hello, today
Yeah. Hello po. Yeah. We are jogging here today. Nice.
I'm so sad.
You're so satisfied?
Yeah.
We're here at Fun Run in MOA. Do you like this place?
Yeah. Today we are jogging.
We are jogging here. You're correct. You love this place, right? So beautiful and nice. Can you see the bubbles over there? Are you ready for that obstacle? Okay.
Can I do that?
Which one?
That obstacle?
That obstacle? Yes, of course you can do that obstacle. You wanna try it? Oh no! I think we're getting wet. Oh, we're gonna get wet now. Are you ready to get wet? We're gonna get wet. Oh, we already ran 3 kilometers. Oh, 3 kilometers. Good job.
We are at the last station.
What is it? Bubbles? Okay. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, Bob. Oh, careful. It might be slippery. Go in there. Go. Iris! Go there. Play. People are taking a bath. What happened, Iris? You okay, Iris? You're fine? You like this? Huh? It's fun. Throw that up. nasa bubble paradise kami. Oh no! What happened? Oh, come on! Iris, look at me!
You have a crown!
Wow! Hi, Princess Iris! What happened to your shoes? Ta-da! Oh, mine as well! You bought? Did you buy a new shoes? Did you buy new shoes?
Bubble shoe.
Bubble shoes?
Look at Daddy.
Oh no! What happened to mine?
I can.
Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. Do you think you need to change your clothes? Did you enjoy there? Back there? Yay! Finish line! We're done! Good job! You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah?
3 kilometers.
3 kilometers? Yay! We will now get our finisher's medal. Oops, sorry. There you go, medal. Oh, get your medal.
Congrats po.
Thank you.
Kasi wala kang ganito.
Wow. Wow, what's that, Iris? A medal. Because you got it because you dived twice, right? Come on. Yay! That's Mami G. Are you shy?
Kasi sa ano?
Di ba? Mami G is your teacher?
Teacher, Mami G.
Na-shy siya, na-shy.